Welcome to a curated collection of stylish pergola inspirations designed to spark your imagination and help you envision a stunning outdoor makeover. Below are 15 richly detailed paragraphs, each a standalone mood or concept that paints a vivid picture of how a thoughtfully designed pergola can transform a yard into a memorable, livable space. Read each one to feel the textures, colors, and atmospheres. No instructions, just inspiration. A modern minimalist pergola reads like a quiet piece of architecture. Slender, powder-coated steel posts support a precisely spaced slatted roof that throws crisp, geometric shadows across a smooth concrete patio. The color palette stays restrained, matte black or graphite for the frame, cool grays for seating, and soft ivory textiles so that the interplay of light and form becomes the focal point. Underneath, low, sculptural furnishings and a slim concrete coffee table emphasize negative space, while hidden strip lighting along the rafters gives evenings a cinematic softness. A few architectural planters with sculptural succulents or clipped evergreens punctuate the perimeter, reinforcing the composition's calm, ordered clarity. Imagine a pergola built from reclaimed timber, its surface modeled with the patina of sun and rain, each knot and split a testament to time. Underfoot, irregular flagstones anchor the space, softened by layered natural fiber rugs and plush cushions in earth tones. Wicker chairs, a long farmhouse table, and hanging lanterns create a convivial, lived-in atmosphere that feels both rooted and welcoming. Climbing roses and honeysuckle trail through the beams, releasing seasonal perfume, while warm Edison bulbs suspended at varying heights cast a honeyed glow after dusk. An outdoor room that invites lingering conversation and slow, unhurried dinners. A Mediterranean-inspired pergola conjures images of whitewashed walls, terracotta tiles, and breezy linen drapery tied back to reveal sun-filled courtyards. Oversized terracotta pots hold olive trees whose silver-green foliage shimmers in warm light, and a hammered copper sink or outdoor buffet sits ready for alfresco feasting. Cerulean accents, woven placemats, and brass lanterns add old-world charm, while a gently bubbling fountain nearby provides a cooling soundtrack. The overall mood is sun-drenched and celebratory, a place for leisurely lunches, relaxed gatherings, and long, wine-fueled evenings. Thank you for watching. If these stylish pergola inspirations sparked your creativity, please subscribe, like, and share to stay inspired and help others transform their outdoor spaces.